Hi guys, welcome back, and I wanted to share with you, coming up on Valentine's, a little bit of the history of the day of Valentine's. Now, this was so long ago, and there's not much that history agrees on about Valentine's except for this one thing. There apparently were 3 Roman Catholic priests. All of them had the last name of Valentine. So whether it's one or all of them are a submerging of the stories, I'm not sure. But one that is recorded in history that I found is that one of the Roman priests was imprisoned for marrying people illegally. And the reason that he was doing this was because some of these young men were trying to dodge the draft. And the law stated that if they were unmarried, they had to be eligible to go to war. But if they were married, they got to stay home with their sweetie pie. So he was marrying them, and he got in trouble and thrown in prison. Now, while he was in prison, apparently he had the hots for the jailer's daughter, and he sent her some love notes signed, "Your Valentine." So, whether that is the real story and history of Valentine's or not, we're not certain, but I can't really see anything wrong with sending a little note to somebody you love and care about, telling them just how much you need them, want them, desire them, must have them in your life. Right? Anyway, I hope you have plans to have a very, very fun holiday. However you spend it with those you love. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.